Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your cloud data solutions with Google Cloud. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, sign in to your Google Cloud account. Navigate to the Google Cloud console. On the dashboard, locate the Projects section. Select the project you want to upgrade. In the left sidebar, click on Storage to manage your data solutions. Choose between Cloud Storage, BigQuery, or Firestore based on your requirements. If you want to enhance storage capabilities, click on Cloud Storage. Create a new bucket by clicking the Create Bucket button. Follow the prompts to name your bucket and select a region. Adjust access control settings according to your security needs. Once your bucket is created, upload your data files. For analytical upgrades, navigate to BigQuery. Create a new dataset by clicking on the Create Dataset button. Input a name and configure data access permissions. After the dataset is created, click on Create Table. Select your data source and target table configuration. For real-time data solutions, go to Firestore. Click on Create Database and choose Start in Test Mode for initial setup. Define your data structure by adding collections and documents. Implement necessary security rules for your Firestore database. Next, consider integrating cloud functions for serverless computing. Navigate to the Cloud Functions section and click Create Function. Follow the prompts to define the function's name and trigger type. Write the code needed for your specific functionality. Deploy the function and monitor its performance through the console. Lastly, ensure to review billing settings to manage costs effectively. Optimize your data solutions by regularly analyzing performance metrics. Make adjustments based on the evolving needs of your projects. This will ensure your cloud data solutions remain efficient and scalable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.